Imagine the person whose songs woke up millions of people around the world, the young man who, as a mere teenager, became a global sensation. He was the same man who later became entangled in controversies, addicted to drugs, and was in the headlines of newspapers as Justin Bieber is going bankrupt. Today we will tell the story of such a journey where the glittering stage, millions of dollars in fame, the endless love of fans, and the darkness of addiction all became intertwined. Justin Bieber's life is not just the story of a pop star. It is the real tale of modern celebrity life, of both success and downfall. Justin Bieber was born in a small town in Canada, a very ordinary family, no luxuries. His mother raised him single-handedly. From a very young age, he loved to sing, performing in church and school. At one point, he uploaded a few songs on YouTube, and those videos changed his destiny. The world-famous manager Scooter Braun recognized his talent and brought him to the United States. From there began the storm of the song, Baby, the craze of teenage girls, concerts filled with stadiums, and millions of dollars in income. But fame is not always a blessing. At a very young age, becoming a global superstar created immense pressure in Justin's life. At school-going age, he had to handle millions of fans, media pressure, paparazzi cameras, and massive corporate contracts. Unable to cope with this pressure, Justin gradually began to break down mentally. At one point, changes began to appear in his behavior. Sometimes reckless driving, sometimes getting angry in public, sometimes even breaking the law. The media amplified all this further, and gradually Justin's image started to be destroyed. Fans loved him, but at the same time were becoming disappointed. Then came the biggest news. Justin had become involved with drugs. He himself later admitted that from his late teens, he had started using narcotics. At first, he thought it helped him relax, reduce stress. But slowly the addiction began to consume his life. He said, "I was using pretty heavy drugs. It was a dark chapter of my life." And that was not the end. Because of drugs, his work began to be affected, many concerts were cancelled, health problems appeared, and his mental state worsened. At one point, he openly admitted that he was suffering from depression, anxiety, and despair. Right then, another rumor spread in the media. Justin was supposedly drowning in terrible debt. His Justice World Tour had been cancelled, resulting in losses of millions of dollars. Again, it was heard that he was selling his music catalog for a huge sum of money because he was in financial trouble. Many said, Justin is going bankrupt. But the truth is not that simple. Yes, in 2022, he did sell his catalog for about $200 million, but his team stated that it was not due to financial crisis, rather a business decision. Many artists sell their music for long-term investments. But the media did not let go so easily. Various newspapers headlined, "Justin is drowning in debt. He is not the same as before. He is losing his fame." And fans became confused. What was really happening? At this time, a turning point began in Justin's life. He openly started talking about his inner struggles. Through posts on social media, he revealed that he was fighting depression. He became more devoted to Christianity, trying to save himself through prayer and spirituality. His wife, Hailey Bieber, was always by his side. No matter how much talk there was about drugs, controversies, and financial rumors, the biggest question for fans was, is Justin really changing? His team stated multiple times, the media exaggerates many things. The claims of being in debt or bankrupt were simply rumors without evidence. And regarding drugs, Justin himself admitted that he had made mistakes, but now he was trying to return to a healthy life. From here begins Justin's fight. How he came out of the darkness of addiction and rumors and tried to return to his career. How he proved to people that he was not just a broken star, but a fighter. Around Justin Bieber, many controversies had been created. Drugs, debt, rumors of bankruptcy, career downfall. But from here began a new chapter in his life. Justin understood that if he wanted to save his life, he had to bring change. First, he openly admitted his weaknesses. Through posts on social media, he wrote how the pressure of fame had pushed him into drugs, how he had sunk into deep depression. Those posts of his clearly showed regret but also carried a promise to fight back. He was still young, just in his 20s, but by then he had gone through experiences that many never face in a lifetime. Worldwide fame, millions of dollars in earnings, and the fear of losing it all. Through all this, he realized that true peace comes from within, not from outside glamour. To quit drugs, he took treatment, took advice from specialists. Gradually, he distanced himself from that darkness. Of course, it was not easy because once addiction takes hold in a person's body and mind, coming out of it is terribly difficult. But Justin showed that if there is willpower and proper support, nothing is impossible. At this time, his wife Hailey Bieber became his greatest support. Hailey always gave Justin courage, stayed by his side. In interviews, Justin said, "I am alive because of her." Hailey's support gave him newfound confidence. Meanwhile, when the media was publishing news about debt and bankruptcy, Justin's team clearly stated these were exaggerated. The truth is, Justin sold his music catalog for about $200 million. He did this for future investment and financial planning, not for paying off debt. Actually, this has become a trend among many artists. So the words bankrupt or drowning in debt were mostly clickbait. But it cannot be denied that some of Justin's business decisions and the cancellation of tours had caused a setback in his career. But it takes real strength to rise from that. By 2023-24, he gradually came back into discussions, though now he was no longer the teenage Justin who sang Baby. He was much more mature, much more restrained. His new songs clearly carried that change, deep words, reflections of inner struggle and spirituality. Many questioned, will Justin ever be as popular as before? Maybe that teenage craze will never come back, but Justin is now making his place in a different way. He has realized that popularity comes and goes, but inner peace and stability are most important. The biggest thing is, he is no longer hiding anything from fans. He is openly sharing his mistakes, his pain, his struggles, and this honesty is bringing him even closer to fans. There will always be rumors and gossip. Some will say he is bankrupt, some will say he is addicted, some will say he is not the same as before. But the truth is, Justin Bieber is still standing, still singing, still trying to live. His career may be full of ups and downs, but he has not given up. That is the real lesson. Even the brightest star in the world can make mistakes, can fall into addiction, can be the victim of financial rumors. But if a person truly wants to change, they can. So Justin Bieber's story is not just the story of a singer. It is the story of a young man who, amidst the pressure of fame, the darkness of addiction, and the storm of false rumors, has survived. And still today, millions listen to his songs, love him, and want to give him a second chance. This story reminds us, mistakes can happen, rumors can come, life can break down. But the true courage is to rise again. Justin Bieber has shown that courage, and his journey may inspire many young people who are struggling with their own lives.